Day one of a chimney renovation. This chimney's been blocked up for many years. We have knocked it out back to the original size. We will be replastering the edge and rendering the back and sides and laying a slate front and back half. The chimney has been removed from the attic. No stack going through the roof, so we'll be relining the chimney between the fireplace and where the chimney's been removed, and then installing a stainless steel twin wall insulated pipe from this point up through the roof and out in accordance with building regs. So come back and see part 2, the completed job.